Hi, my name is Zeus Kang. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Huzbee.com. In this video, Huzbee University presents what to know about 3D and virtual tours. Virtual reality and 3D imaging have taken the real estate industry by storm. This new technology allows buyers a glimpse into the properties they are interested in the comfort of their own home. Now, you don't have to be a realtor to have access to such innovative services. Huzbee has partnered with companies in your area to provide a full range of virtual tours and showcase your property more creatively. Virtual house tours allow potential buyers to check out every room and corner with a few mouse clicks. Compared to photos and videos, this technology offers a more accurate and immersive experience. Here are a few of the benefits of virtual tours. Save time. Meeting every buyer for every showing can be time-consuming. With a virtual tour, buyers can see the property on their laptops or smartphones. Those who are really interested will call or ask for more information. This will free up your time so you'll be able to focus on more important matters. Cut costs. Driving back and forth to meeting potential buyers to show them the house can cost time and money. The worst part is you don't have any guarantee that they will buy. Perhaps they don't like the way the hallway looks or the layout of the ground floor. Virtual tours can help cut cost and time in this way. More interest. Property listings with virtual tours receive up to 40% more clicks compared to those with only images. More clicks translate into more views and increased showing requests and offers. Convenience. Ordinarily, when you're showing your home, you first need to make sure that the house is pristine condition. But it can be a hassle to clean every time you have a showing. With virtual tours, you can show off the property in its very best condition every time virtually.